Princeton Junction has 2 platforms plus the platform for the dinky, which in total is 3. And today, I railfanned on all 3 of them. Welcome to Princeton Junction. On the way to the station from the parking lot, we caught a Northeast Regional 171 to Roanoke from Boston. Next up is an NJT at 150 going to Trenton. Our first NJT of the day, and probably many more. Here comes the dinky going to Princeton Station. It's gonna pick up speed as it goes through the crossing at Princeton Junction. Running about 58 minutes late, we have an NJT running eastbound to Penn Station in New York. Ever since that NJT came, the platform just got cleared. Now that we have some time until the next train comes, let's talk about Princeton Junction's history. The original station was built in 1864 in preparation for Princeton branch service to begin in 1865. An hour and 3 minutes late, we have 174 Northeast Regional on its way to Boston.
Never mind, he's stopping here. This is 174, Newport News Boston. 1 hour, 3 minutes late.
Approaching at 2:17, here comes the dinky. While the dinky leaves, we have another NJT on its way to Trenton. 2:25, we have an NJT on its way to New York from Trenton. Got a little horn there. Here we have an Amtrak number 133 from New York to Washington, D.C. Approaching at 2:45 is an NJT equipment move. It's got the Ride with Pride engine. Excuse me, that was a Deadhead, Jersey Avenue. Here at 2:47, there is an NJT on its way to Trenton with a Pennsylvania locomotive on
Seen
them.
this guy before?
Here comes Northeast Regional 134. There she goes. A double with NJT and the Northeast Regional. It's off to Roanoke, Virginia from New York. 2:53 is in the Acela, Boston to Washington, D.C. He's gonna fly at 150 miles per hour. Let's see this. Look at that beautiful thing go. Now coming in now.
Cab car first.
Cab car first, Keystone to New York. There it goes. Skipping the stop. We have Amtrak number 19, the Crescent to New Orleans. This will be at the station at 3:03. This one's going 110. There she
Got a long
goes.
trip
Comes the Acela 2166.
in Boston.
This one's going to Washington from Boston. This one's going to Boston from Washington. Train was Washington to Boston going 150. Look at all that dust. The wires are shaking. That thing was zooming, I'll say. A cab car first, Keystone to Harrisburg.
Coming from New York, cab car first.
There it goes, on its way to Harrisburg. Apologies, that was train 84, North Fulton to New York. Our train schedule for the rest of the day: Boston, North Fulton, 85 Northeast Regional. And then after that, we have the Acela, Boston to Washington. And then after that, we have the Silver Meteor, which I was on. Go check out the video up top. 2163 Boston, Washington, Acela. This thing's gonna zoom. There she goes to Washington. 85 Boston, Richmond. Off to Richmond. An NJT also in the clip. And final train of the video, we had the Silver Meteor, which I did go on. We went from Philadelphia's 30th Street Station, got off at Savannah, Georgia. So check that video out, come back here. Here comes number 97, the Silver Meteor, on its way to Miami from New York. Here it comes. The memory it was to be on that train. I just want to go on it one more time, just to relive the memories. Now it's time to leave Princeton Junction. Now it's time for a Railfan recap. 7 New Jersey Transits, 7 Northeast Regionals, 3 Acelas, the Crescent, the Silver Meteor, 3 Keystones. That means 15 trains in total. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.